Exploring ecosystems and biodiversity, our living planet's web of life. Think of our Earth as an intricate tapestry, where every thread represents a different living thing, and all these threads are woven together in beautiful, complex patterns. These patterns are what we call ecosystems, and the variety of threads, all the different plants, animals, and microorganisms represents biodiversity. Let's explore this fascinating web of life and understand why protecting it is so important for our planet's future. Understanding ecosystems, nature's communities. An ecosystem is like a bustling neighborhood where different species live together, each playing its own special role. Just as a neighborhood needs various people doing different jobs to function well, doctors, teachers, shopkeepers, and more, an ecosystem needs different species to stay healthy. For example, in a forest ecosystem, trees provide homes and food for birds and squirrels. Bees pollinate flowers, decomposers break down dead material, and predators keep plant-eating animal populations in balance. Each ecosystem has its own unique characteristics based on its climate, geography, and the species that live there. Desert ecosystems must cope with extreme heat and little water, while rainforest ecosystems are filled with abundant rainfall and incredible diversity of life. Ocean ecosystems can range from shallow coral reefs teeming with colorful fish to deep-sea environments where strange creatures thrive in complete darkness. The magic of biodiversity. Biodiversity refers to the amazing variety of life on Earth, from the tiniest bacteria to the largest whales, from microscopic algae to towering sequoia trees. This variety exists at different levels. Species diversity. This represents the number of different species in an area. A coral reef, for instance, might be home to thousands of different species of fish, corals, and other marine life. Genetic diversity. Within each species, individuals have slight differences in their genes. This variation helps species adapt to changes in their environment. It's like having different tools in a toolkit. The more tools you have, the better prepared you are for different challenges. Ecosystem diversity. This refers to the variety of different habitats and communities on Earth, from Arctic tundra to tropical rainforests, from mountain peaks to ocean depths. How climate change affects ecosystems. As our climate changes, ecosystems face new challenges. Temperature changes can affect when plants flower, when birds migrate, or when insects emerge. These timing changes can disrupt the delicate balance of relationships between species. For example, if flowers bloom before their pollinating insects appear, both the plants and the insects might struggle to survive. Rising temperatures also cause some species to move to new areas in search of suitable conditions. Mountain species might climb higher up slopes seeking cooler temperatures, while ocean species might move toward the poles as waters warm. However, not all species can move or adapt quickly enough to keep up with rapid climate change. Adaptation. Nature's response to change. Species have amazing abilities to adapt to changing conditions, but these adaptations usually happen over many generations. Some examples of how animals adapt include physical changes, Arctic foxes growing thicker fur in winter, or butterflies developing darker wing colors in polluted areas to better blend in. Behavioral changes, birds changing their migration patterns, or bears hibernating for shorter periods as winters become milder. However, when changes happen too quickly, species might not have enough time to adapt, which can lead to population declines or even extinction. The importance of protecting endangered species. When we lose a species, it's like removing a crucial thread from our ecosystem tapestry. It weakens the entire fabric. Each species plays a unique role in its ecosystem, and its loss can have far-reaching consequences. For example, losing top predators like wolves can lead to an overpopulation of their prey, which in turn can damage plant communities and affect other species that depend on those plants. Endangered species are like warning lights on a car's dashboard. They tell us something isn't working right in the ecosystem. Protecting these species often means protecting their habitats, which benefits many other species that share the same environment. Creating positive change. How we can help. Understanding ecosystems and biodiversity helps us make better choices to protect our planet. Here are some ways we can help. Habitat protection, supporting the creation and maintenance of protected areas, from national parks to marine reserves. Sustainable choices, making environmentally friendly decisions in our daily lives, like using less plastic or choosing products that don't harm wildlife habitats. Learning and sharing, understanding more about local ecosystems and sharing this knowledge with others to build awareness and appreciation for nature. The future of our living planet. As we face the challenges of climate change and habitat loss, understanding and protecting biodiversity becomes more important than ever. Every species lost is like erasing a page from Earth's book of life. We lose not only that species but also its potential benefits to medicine, agriculture, and ecosystem health. By learning about ecosystems and biodiversity, we become better stewards of our planet. We begin to understand that protecting nature isn't just about saving individual species, it's about maintaining the complex web of life that supports all living things, including humans. Through this understanding, we can work together to ensure that future generations will inherit a planet rich in biodiversity and thriving ecosystems.